What's going on, guys? D. Anthony here. I want to give you guys an easy futures trading strategy. Again, this can be applied to crypto. It can be applied to stocks, options, forex, futures. Doesn't really matter. As long as we have a candlestick chart, we can do it. What we're looking at here is what I call the big boy chart. I've got every single moving average that you can possibly think of. Do you need all of them? No. But does it help me? Yes. I've been doing this for 10 years. It's just the way that I trade. It's just, what's easy to me. What I'm looking at here is a 1 hour time frame. Now, this strategy is going to entitle you to look at a 1 hour time frame. What you want to see is when a 1 hour candle closes above supply. What is supply? It's just another fancy term for area of resistance or area of liquidity or whatever, right? However you want to call it, you can call it. What I'm looking at here, notice when we get this little green arrow that I put here, this is closing over the 20 SMA on a 1 hour time frame. It's also closing above the 5 and the 10 SMA. You can see that there's a little bit of a gap here between the high price of the opening candle on Friday, 18,144, into this Bollinger Band, which is sitting at 18,171. Now, do we have 20, 30 points to make money? Of course. Depending on your position sizing is going to depend on whether you're taking a little bit of a scalp, whether you're taking a one and done trade for the day. For someone who's trading 5 mini contracts, you guys can get in, take 10 points and call it a day. For those of you guys trading 2 or 3 micro contracts, maybe 20 points, you're making about $100, $200, whatever. It doesn't really matter the dollar amount that you're making. Again, stop trying to keep up with the Joneses. What you want to do is identify a setup. You want to analyze your risk. You want to take the trade. You want to make money, get in, get green, get the hell out. That's my saying. So let the first hour candle close. Does it have to be the first hour? Could it be the third hour, the second hour, the fifth hour? Doesn't matter what hour candle. What you need to have happen is that a 1 hour candle close over an area of supply. In this particular case, we close over 3 supplies, 20, 10, and 5 SMA. What you need to have happen next is the following hour candle needs to confirm, as you can see here, and I'm going to draw a line here, it needs to confirm the high price. You get in on the following candle and you sell into the next area of demand. Now, some of you thinking, well, it went all the way up here. Sure, that's great. Did we know that was going to happen? Absolutely not. I'll take this trade here. I'll sell here. I'll take 20 points and I'll come back tomorrow and do it again. Again, hope this strategy helps you. It's very, very simple. It requires a 1 hour time frame. It requires a few moving averages. If you want to know everything that's going on, join the Discord that links down in the description box below. I have hours and hours of course lessons that you guys can go through, as well as live trading with myself and the rest of the crew. Again, great group of guys in there. Everyone seems to be making money right now, doing the right things, practicing good risk management, practicing good psychology and mindset. Again, there's a lot more that goes into this than just being able to find a setup and learn technical analysis and a strategy. It also requires how well do you execute, how well do you manage risk, how well do you manage drawdown. There's a lot that goes into trading. It is not easy by any stretch of the means. And am I saying that if you master this one particular technical analysis strategy edge, you're going to make $1 million? Of course not. In fact, you'll probably lose thousands of dollars because you're not going to be able to handle the drawdowns and handle the ups and downs and understand your position strategies. And I get it. I've been there. I've been doing this for a long time, 10 years now to be exact. It's a very, very tough and long road ahead. But again, with a little bit of help and support and a little bit of the right direction and confidence, you can definitely do it. Anyone can do it. Trust me, I'm not the sharpest tool in the box. I just understand what I need to do to try to make a living on a day in and day out basis. Again, do I win every trade? Absolutely not. I only win at about a 60% win rate. But again, at winning at around a 60% win rate still allows me to be profitable at the end of the week, the end of the month, the end of the quarter, end of the year. And, to be honest, that's all that really matters. It's about taking money out of the market, not just keeping on depositing money into the market. With that being said, I know it's a very short video, but it's a very simple strategy. I'll let you guys all go. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And I hope you guys all make a lot of money.